It's crafting time again, folks. This is week 2 on summer reading program. How are you today? Now, you're going to be wondering what's up with the gloves. It's all right. It's fun and it's messy, but we don't want the mess on you. So what we're going to do is we're going to put on gloves. It's dealing with the food coloring. We don't want your little Smurfs out there or little Oompa Loompas or anything like that. So we're going to glove up and we're going to use some clay. We're going to have these in bags for you. Now, the only thing you'll need to worry about is the food coloring. Again, if you don't have any, please come see us. We'll see what we can do. But first, ask your parents if they have some food coloring on hand. Now, we're going to only have a small little handful. It doesn't take a lot. And we're going to find out what happens when we mix other colors. Okay, so we're going to just flatten this guy out. And we're going to get a couple dots of food coloring. Okay, so we did red and blue last time. We're going to find out what happens when we add yellow and blue instead. Remember, these are primary colors, so you can make pretty much anything out of these 3 colors, red, blue, and yellow. So we're just going to take a couple dots. We don't need a lot, and hence why we have the plastic bag down and catch our mess. We're going to fold it into each little corner, and we're just going to play with it in our hands and mush. Oh my goodness, look at that. You see that? It's already turning green, and we didn't even have green. But now we do because we added yellow and blue. Yellow and blue. I had to stop and think, what colors do I have? And you can kind of see the blue marks in there as well. And you see a little yellow, and that's the whole fun part about it. And you see what I mean by wearing gloves? You're going to have spotterific colored hands. And we're just going to kind of knead it around. And you can, and this is clay, so you can use it and shape little things if you want to make a duck, or if you want to make a little pig, or whatever color you'd want. You can use whatever color. I just chose the blue and the yellow. If you want red and blue or just red, you can do that too. But this is kind of fun to mix the 2 colors up. And you see specklings of the 2 colors. You can kind of see how it's turning out. It's almost marbled. I don't know. How would you do a duck? Going to probably need to make 2 balls. I'm going to make a duck. See if I can make a duck. There's the bottom half of a duck. And then we're going to have to make a second ball for the head. But we need to have a little beak. Okay. Oh my goodness, he kind of looks like a duck. What do you know? Meet Mr. Ducky. It could be a little duck or a little goose or whatever he might want to be. And that's the fun thing about the different colors. We can make them different colors. And clay, it's very moldable. It's kind of like Play-Doh. So this is a fun way to mix the colors. And if you have a good recipe to make Play-Doh, by all means, you're welcome to it. But this is all we're going to do for now. Until then, I'll see you next time in crafting.